It's deer stand moving day, and it's crazy windy, like always around here. So this could get interesting, but we're about to tip this thing over, and it looks like my lens is broken. Huh. Time for a new phone. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let's go tip this thing over. I've got some help. Well, we just pulled the wheels off because that wasn't gonna do what we wanted it to do. Originally, we thought we needed it to get it out the door, but with the really long pallet forks, we should be able to just pick this thing up. So, got my brother-in-law using the floor jack to tip this side over. Hopefully we get it really close or past the balance point. And then the tractor is gonna catch it and slowly lower it down. We'll see how this goes. I feel a little bit useless just being narrator and camera pointer at her. We're close. We're close. That's the end. We're gonna have to lift it now. He's got it. Boy, it's almost like we planned this. So far. All right, that wasn't so hard. I didn't have to do anything. This is not the intriguing angle I thought it would be. I really feel like I should be helping more, but it seems like they've got this under control, so I'll just hold the camera. Well, you probably can't hear me over the wind. I'm still working on that problem. But it doesn't look nearly as big now that it's on the trailer going down the driveway. Next stop, tree farm. Well, we're headed down the road. And they made it almost a mile from the house before they had to stop. The wind always blows here. It always blows. And you might ask yourself, well, Mark, why does anybody live there then? I don't know. I don't know, but I don't want to hear it. Today, the only time the weatherman's been right all winter long was that it's supposed to be sunny and windy. And he's right about the wind. Of course, we picked the windiest day in recent history to go and try to set this thing up. So, could be kind of fun following the truck all the way down to the farm from here. We've got about an hour drive. Hopefully that is the only time we have to stop. We're definitely skipping the freeway. Well, it's always best to hire a efficient and hardworking crew, but this crew is outworking the content. I'm over here trying to level out a spot and put in patio pavers. You can hear me hyperventilating. Oxygen. I need to get this done, and they're already standing it up. So I guess I'll come over here and just run a camera and hope for the best. I might have to get over there and help that thing land gentle in just a second. We do have some steel peeling. I guess transport wasn't so great for that side. There we go. Let's hope it doesn't explode on the way down. That'll buff out. I've got a hammer. Face, and we did some dirt work to make a nice kind of even ramp, and then we're just going to go set it on the blocks. It's going to be super easy. Get out of the way, because that seems prudent. Well, he's gonna get straight and square. Here's the pad that we made. These are old silo staves. This is what grain silos used to be made out of. And then, you know, patio pavers or something. But this is within about a 1/4 inch of being level. And then when the weight gets set on it, they're gonna settle a little bit, and we'll probably have to shim it at that point. But he's still just squaring up to the world. That thing is so heavy that Eric there had to help him lift it. The hydraulics wouldn't quite do it on its own. We also might need to throw somebody in the back for more ballast. I'm not sure if he's getting a little front heavy or not. Well, that about does it. We've got the door. We'll have to pull up the rope ladder. Apparently, I've got to come up with a better way to step in here. Opening window, curtains that kind of block out some of the light, keep it dark in here. This back window just looks out the back so you can see what's back there, but it'd be really hard to take a shot considering that turns into a jungle. And the fence is about 15 yards up that way. Got a side window that opens, so you've got kind of that window and an awning to keep the rain out while it's open. I have my plexiglass that can slide down in there, so if it's miserable cold, you can actually run heat in here and try to keep a little bit of heat in here. And then that's the view out the front. My oldest kid shot his first and second turkey last year. In the spring, we called a bird from way up the fence line. It crossed behind us, came down a path right here, and then beat the crap out of my decoys right where the bucket of that tractor is. It was 13 yards and flop. And then in the fall, he had a bird come from that direction, walk up the path, and stop right where the bucket of that tractor is, and bang, flop. So he shot 2 birds, a spring and a fall one, from this exact position. That's why we decided this was the place to put this blind. Anyway, I think I'll sign off now because I'm tired and it's lunchtime. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll take a quick look at this spider here because he looks like fun. Little spider. You're gonna have to go. I think well, Katie doesn't need to know. Katie's gonna know. All right, bye, guys.
Okay, wait, I think I hear one.
Oh, you're right. There is one. Right there. Quick.